Every year, Allure and Glamour magazine release their list of like their favorite products, their favorite skincare, beauty, any type of makeup. And the foundations that are sitting in front of us have made it to both lists as the best drugstore foundations.
Like year after year.
We have the Maybelline Fit Me. This is $7.99. We have the e.l.f. one, which is $3. We have CoverGirl for $6.99. We have L'Oreal for $7.99. This is a L'Oreal True Match. And we have the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop for $14.99.
So basically they're all under $15.
Under $15. We are going to try all of them for you. And we have the current winner on our face. So
which one is it?
Stay tuned to find out. The only one we have never tried or experimented with is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, and it was definitely on Glamour and Allure's list of best drugstore foundations. It's one of the more expensive ones from the bunch. It's $14.99. We got it at Target. So let's try this one out and see.
So I'm gonna apply it on my right side.
Okay, I'll do right too. I like discovering inexpensive foundation finds because, you know, it's hard to use your like really good expensive stuff every day.
For sure.
So when I find a good drugstore one, I get like super excited about it.
It's a full coverage foundation.
And the color that we picked is 07 Neutral. And the thing with this line is they have a lot of different undertones. So if you need like a warm undertone, cool, or neutral, they have different options. So that's definitely a plus. Okay, what's your first impression?
I like it. I actually don't see a difference between this or like one of my expensive foundations.
Yeah. All right. Not bad.
First impression is definitely positive.
First impression is good. Can't beat the price, $14.
Yeah, it didn't get flaky. It's like just it decreased my pore sizes.
What I'm gonna do on my left side now is use one that I actually do use regularly as my drugstore find, which is the Maybelline Fit Me. I've used this multiple times throughout the years. It's something that I kind of go back to as my drugstore find, so I know that I really like it and I know that I like wearing it long term. So I'm gonna apply it on the left side and just kind of like see the difference. Woo! All right, we're just gonna share my hand because I overdid it.
You know.
No.
You always liked this one. I wasn't that big of a fan.
I think it's a good drugstore find. And I like that it's only $7.99, so I could buy like 2 of them and mix colors.
I'll tell you exactly why I didn't like it the first time around.
Why?
And why I don't like it right now. I feel like I don't even need to say. Okay, it's supposed to be matte and poreless. So look at this side and look at this side.
Oh yeah, I can see your pores.
It's like just like super oily.
Yeah.
I'm surprised you would like this
Well,
since you are oily.
because whenever I do use it, I use it with really good primer underneath.
Okay. But like, look how matting this was, the NYX one. Oh, 24-hour matte finish. Like, look at that.
You know what though? So I've always been fond of this one, but now when I compare it,
isn't that crazy?
next to the NYX, I think I'm gonna stop using this one.
Right? It's like, hi pores.
Wow.
Nice to meet you.
No, and you know, you don't really realize until you do half
Do a
and
side
half.
by side.
Yeah.
Exactly. That
Wow.
is crazy.
Okay,
Like
yeah, no,
from
that is
here,
a big difference.
From here, like I could see, like look how
Look
matte
at the shine
this
over
side-
here. Yeah. Oh my god.
So you guys, for these two, we definitely, out of these two,
The Maybelline
NYX,
and the NYX.
and Ani and I have different skin tones, so
Yeah.
the fact that I'm dry and she's oily and we're both saying the same thing
Wow,
means
what a big
lot.
difference.
So the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop full coverage is way better than the, what is this?
Maybelline Fit Me.
Maybelline Fit Me. So this is our number 1 so far.
Okay.
Now we're gonna wash our face and go to the next 2.
We are gonna try the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made. We've tried this before, we've used it before, we liked it, but now I feel like NYX is really throwing like a curveball at us. And the CoverGirl one is $6.99. One of the benefits of this one is that it comes in tons and tons and tons of shades, so you're definitely able to find a shade that you like. The color that we are using today is M90 Perfect Beige. Okay, what side are you using?
Right.
Right side it is. And again, we have used these before, and also these are the ones that are on both Allure and Glamour's list of best foundations under $20. Basically drugstore foundations. By the way, I know that different Targets have different prices for stuff. So if you see it for like $8 online and your local Target has it for $10, if you just show them online, they'll do a price match for you. That means more makeup. Okay, first thoughts?
Underwhelming.
Underwhelming, okay. I feel like you can really see my pores.
Yeah, looks oily.
It
Your
looks
skin
oily.
looks oily.
Yeah.
Now I feel like I'm gonna keep going back to the NYX one, right?
God, the NYX one really like changed everything. Okay.
And it was the first one we tried. It
I
like
know.
totally threw me off.
Totally. Okay, which one should we go with next? Let's do L'Oreal True Match. And our color is Neutral Honey Beige N6. And we're gonna apply this on the left side. Hi, Amani, there's an oil well on my face.
Oh my god. That is crazy.
Mm-hmm. Your left side is oilier too.
This side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is kind of going towards the end.
For the favorites for these, it's the CoverGirl over the L'Oreal True Match.
Yeah. There's one more to try, and it's the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. We've reviewed this in the past. I mean, it was like mixed reviews about it.
Yeah.
But again, it's on the list of best drugstore ones, and it's $3, so you definitely can't beat the price. So we're gonna do maybe one side e.l.f., one side NYX?
Yeah, the
Or is
last
that like
time-
almost unfair?
When we had reviewed this a few years ago, actually, we said that it's good for a $3 foundation.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, right side?
yeah.
Takes a lot of blending to make it even.
No, it actually doesn't look bad on your skin.
Yeah.
I don't like it on my skin, though.
I can still see patches of it, that's why.
Yeah.
It's hard to blend, but you know, you get what you pay for. It's $3. Not bad for $3.
I like it on you, though.
Yeah?
Yeah, so let's do our left side with the NYX.
Okay.
And then we'll remove it, whichever one we don't like, and do the last one that we liked. This one.
Okay.
What do you guys think? What do you think?
I like the left side better.
This one.
Yeah.
This is the NYX.
Yeah. I like
see.
the left side better on me too.
It's very similar on you. It's
Really?
really weird.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's very, very similar on
Okay.
you. This is a little more matte. Which one is this?
This is the NYX.
Oh, okay. It's more matte. Like
Yeah.
over here, like your cheeks are a little shiny.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're gonna compare the NYX and the CoverGirl, and that's
Our
it.
two favorites, and
And we're
we'll
gonna
figure
pick
it out.
the top one out of 5.
The CoverGirl also feels thicker.
It is, but it goes on more oily.
Yeah.
It's weird.
It's supposed to be matte, but it's definitely still shiny for me. Left.
On this side? All right, you guys. So we're gonna do a full face with the winner, NYX, and show you guys what our full face looks like and let you guys know. All right, how do you like your makeup?
I think it looks really good. I'm actually very impressed by a Target foundation, especially since I thought some of these other ones were really good. It like really makes a big difference.
This was your jam. Ani's been using this one for years.
She
keeps
what am I
buying,
gonna do with the ones that I have at home?
She keeps buying and buying and buying, but this came and just like stomped all of them.
I'm a NYX
I'm
can't stop, won't stop girl now.
I use Giorgio Armani Power Fabric, which I pay $70 something for. I don't see a big difference.
Yeah. No, it's really good.
Between the two.
Yeah, totally.
So you guys, if you're in store for a drugstore foundation, the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation is definitely what we recommend.
Try it out.
We tried them all, so this was definitely the best one. We'll see you guys next time. If you have any video recommendations, leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.